Every brand wants 20 ads that all feel like us, and every AI pipeline fails that by ad 6 when the model has a new face and the shirt is different. So this is how I make UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 as a brand system. 4 finished ads, 1 system underneath, every choice explained the way I would explain it to a marketing team. On the record before anything renders, because brands deserve vendors who lead with disclosure. This campaign is spec work for a global apparel brand's linen collection. Nobody commissioned it, nobody approved it, and for you that is the good news, because every claim I make in this video can be checked against 4 finished ads on the screen in front of you, which is more verification than most agency case studies ever offer. What a brand needs before one frame generates is a standing system. And mine has 4 parts in the order a brand team would recognize. The identity rules first, the logo clear of the caption zone, the light always morning, then the product, then the model, then her wardrobe states. All of it is built once inside invideo agent and locked into context, the project's memory, and the mechanism is worth 1 slow sentence each. Every generation starts from 0 and reimagines whatever you did not hand it. So a brand is never redescribed per ad. It is attached to every ad by the project. An attachment is what a brand voice actually is in this medium. The campaign's first brief read word for word from the project, because artifacts persuade where promises do not. A 15-second Instagram reel for the Spring-Summer 2026 linen collection, 12 words. Open the attachment panel and read what invideo agent sent underneath. The product sheet, her lock turnaround, the rules, and the full written instruction, placement, format, wardrobe state, set. 12 words of brief, a campaign's worth of system underneath, and I read that panel before every generation the way I used to read a call sheet. The build starts where brands start, with a face, because the face is the brand's most reused asset. Generate a casting wall, a wide spread of candidates side by side, and choose like you are casting a spokesperson for a 3-year contract, because effectively you are. Past the striking face, take the warm one. Since reels are watched at arm's length on a phone and warmth is what survives the shrink to that size. Then write the reason under the choice, the way agencies file casting notes. Because a reason choice can be defended in ad 19 when someone new joins the account and asks why her. I want the audience meeting 1 woman in every ad of this campaign, so her turnaround locks before anything else exists. Want, choice, action. And once she is locked, she belongs to the brand, not to an ad. Her wardrobe becomes states on that 1 sheet. Never new castings. The pink shirt, the striped shirt, the sage shirt. A full turnaround for each state of the same locked woman. Every one generated against her sheet, so no outfit ever renegotiates her face. That is spokesperson consistency at volume in 1 rule. The states share her sheet, the sheet rides every generation, and a costume change is a selection, not an audition. The product is the other lead, and it drifts as happily as faces do, which clients feel even faster because the product is what they are paying to sell. Its sheet gets built from the real catalog pages, the garment photographed flat and the garment photographed worn and locked with the same ceremony as the casting. Product consistency across a campaign is exactly this. 1 locked reference attached to every ad. So the shirt in ad 19 matches ad 1 down to the stitching, which is the difference between a campaign and a costume party. The settings out loud with their reasons, because a setting without a reason is a superstition. And settings are the half of UGC ads. With Seedance 2.5, nobody shows a client. Aspect ratio 9:16, since the placement is reels, and a 16:9 master crop down to vertical loses the product at the frame edges. Vertical is a first-class deliverable on this account. Compose vertical from the very first generation. Resolution 2160 by 3840 on the hero ad, because the hero is the asset. Every placement reuses and it can inherit nothing soft. Duration 15 seconds. The length, the brief set, 4 variations per generation, because presenting a client 4 goods beats defending 1 gamble. And the set gets locked as the campaign's plate. It's morning light, it's pale floor, it's window holding 1 wall, which is location consistency entire, One room standing behind every shirt in every ad, held there by a plate that rides every generation. Generate and hear exactly how the model gets named. Because naming is positioning. InVideo Agent routed this generation to Seedance 2.5. The model it matched to this job, human motion and vertical framing with fabric and movement. Seedance did not make this campaign. No single model did. The system made the campaign, and routing sent each generation where it belonged. She comes back mid-stride, the linen moving like linen, and the panel lists her sheet, the plate, and the product references, none attached by my hand. And now the principle, which I state only after you have watched it work: volume with fidelity. The brand system uploads once, and every later ad's brief carries only the delta. What changes, never what stays, which is how 20 ads cost what one ad costs. Nothing is generated twice, and nothing is wasted. The second brief of the campaign, word for word, so you can hear how small a delta is. Same campaign, striped shirt, the courtyard set, clothes on the collar at the turn. Count it. 14 words. And every ad after it is briefed at that length, which is the pitch I would put in front of any brand team, spoken as an artifact rather than a promise. The selects drop into Premiere Pro for the cut, and the edit stays uneventful, because footage that arrives consistent asks nothing of the editor but rhythm. The harder case, the beach jump, because a campaign that never risks motion is a lookbook, and motion is where UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 earn their keep. Watch the generation assemble through its 7 states. The plain idea, then the direction, read word for word. She jumps, linen catching the wind, low sun behind her, then the settings, then the attachment stacking, the sage wardrobe state, her sheet, the product references, the plate, until 12 words sit on a system that knows the whole brand. And the honest limitation, shown, not confessed, 2 takes returned, with the linen reading as plastic, shine where the weave belongs, and both stills are on screen because brands deserve vendors who show their failures. Better direction was tried twice and changed nothing. The fix was better evidence. 2 fabric macros added to the product sheet, the weave photographed close enough to read, and the linen came back as linen. When a material reads wrong, feed the system evidence, not adjectives. So that is how I make UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 for a brand. Build the system once, attach it to everything, brief only the delta, and let InVideo Agent route each generation to the model the job needs. If you hold a brand and need volume without drift, my answer is InVideo Agent. It is invideo.io. Now here are the 4 ads I built with InVideo Agent. The proof, flat 1 line per finished ad. The hero first, her walk to camera, the face every other ad answers to.
Some days, you just need to feel lighter. Softer. Easier. Uniqlo linen. Lifewear.
Ad 2, the striped shirt in the courtyard. Same woman, same room. Ad 3, the sage shirt on the beach jump, cloth behaving like cloth.
I've been eyeing this outfit for so long. I mean, look at it. It's giving chic yet effortless. I'm obsessed. This is definitely going to be my summer outfit. Save this for your next Uniqlo run.
Ad 4, the product clothes, collar and weave matching the catalog pages they came from.
So this is the Uniqlo linen mini dress. It's actual linen, you can feel the weave, but it's really soft. The cut is this easy A-line so it doesn't cling, it just kind of falls. Oh, and it has pockets! And this burgundy is really pretty in person. Honestly, I don't think I need another dress this summer.
1 model, 3 shirts, 4 ads, and every ad after the first was a 14-word delta on a standing system, which is what on brand at volume looks like when it is real.